entrance.
Yeah, better. You want to digital again?
Oh. Entrance at Great Falls to buy the tickets or passes. Going hiking. This is the parking lot at the Great Falls. After entering, you park here. It's pretty big. You go walk there. So from the entrance, you go to the right to the parking. I think it's one way. You go around, and then you go that way. There's plenty of parking. There's some picnic tables. There's concessions, and then we're gonna walk to the visitor center. Pretty packed. What time is it now? And it is 11:47. It's already packed. There's people canoeing. It's roundabout, and there's the booth to buy the tickets for passes or tickets. Get some refreshment in the parking. This is on Sunday, so there's a lot of people, visitors. That's the bike path. Tuh mah kalau mau naik sepeda look, take the bike over there. Ini path ini yang ke sana, Upper Ferry. Yeah, let's see what's here. I think this is for the boat, for docking. Yeah, this is the canal. That way is going to DC, and this one is going to Maryland to the right. And that's restrooms. There's restrooms. And there's the visitor center. I think we have to go that way. That is the Overlook. So the story behind it was, back in the day, this was used to transport the little boat from DC to Maryland, or Maryland to DC, and then they have the little pathway. It's being used for the mule. This is the boat. I think they say the boat. There's a tour too going to DC. Ini ngambil map. Great, take a map, some information. Visitor center. Tuh, ini ceritanya dulu kayak gitu tuh. Ini jualan. keledainya di sini ditarik. Jadi ininya ditarik sama keledai mah. Jadi perahunya di sini. Look, you see the boat? Keledainya di situ tadi mule. Enggak. Tuh. Jadi keledainya narik perahu. Tuh, kan keledainya lihat tuh. See the mule is on this side, and then the boat is on the water, being pulled by the mule. Yeah.
Whole thing back and forth.
Oh, cuma mau kemana gitu.
Bicycle bridge.
Okay, so we're out of the visitor center to get some maps and direction. So the boat that runs to Georgetown, it runs from Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And you buy the tickets here. That's what. Okay, so we're gonna go this way. Iya. Nah, naiknya dari sini. Tuh itu perahunya yang itu tuh. That's a boat over there. Ini apa ini? What's this? Welcome to the... What is that? Apa ya di situ ya? Discovery space. Come inside to explore. Tuh, kita bisa ngeliat kayak gini nih, Mas. Here. Kind of like museum in the rocks. Bermacam-macam batu. Oh. Nah, ini tadi map yang tadi ini. One that we got the map. See the mule. Tuh. Tuh keledainya tuh kan. So the mules on the roadside, and then the mule pulls the boat. See? Nih, nih, sini deh. Look, so this is the mule. You see, it's pulling the boat.
The Chesapeake and Ohio Canal was painstakingly carved out.
Yep. Okay, let's go. This is block 20. See what's here. Alright, let's go take the route. Ooh, look at the water. Oh. This is by the visitor center. Alright, we're gonna go to the Overlook. Tuh, udah kelihatan tuh, ya kan? So back in the day, the boat will be here, and then the mule is in this side to pull the boat. Udah kedengeran kan suara airnya? Tuh, udah kelihatan nggak mah dikit-dikit tuh di situ tuh. Sini deh. Tuh. You can see the water a little bit from here. See the falls? Right there. Let's go there. Waduh, Bu Yati udah kayak pendaki nih. Oh, loh. Tuh. Lihat. Di sini juga ada tuh. Okay, we're gonna see Washington Aqueduct Overlook. Okay, that way is Maryland. This way. Woo! Lihat tuh. Masya Allah. by the visitor center. You already see all this view. And that side is Virginia side. Sebelah situ udah Virginia mah. Itu udah Virginia. Ini kan Aqueduct. Jadi kayak buat sistem perairan sistem gitu. Kalau enggak masih nyala. Wow. Tuh kalau kita mau lihat air terjunnya kita ntar ke situ tuh. Boleh nggak ya ke situ? Boleh kayaknya. Okay, so we just came from the Overlook. We're gonna go see the falls. Going that way, the Billy Goat Great Falls homestead. Water. This is on Sunday. Again, that was the visitor center. That's the boat. See the boat? Can you see boatnya? No trash. So bring your own trash bag. It's provided. Swimming, a wedding. Soalnya di sini plenty of room for walking, running, biking. Cuman talinya untuk si keledainya itu, jadi ntar ditarik segitunya sama keledai. Hebat ya? Nggak tahu juga deh. Waterfall sih di situ. Kelihatan ya? Iya. You are here. Look over here. See? Wow.